we'll guide you through how to create Dropbox team folders. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com, then sign in to your Dropbox business account. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click on the option that says Admin Console. This is where you manage your team and folders. In the Admin Console, you'll see a section called Content. Click on it, and then click Team Folders. Now, you might notice a button that says Create Team Folder. Click on that to start the process. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your new team folder. Make sure it's descriptive so your team knows what it's for. After naming your folder, you'll need to set permissions. You can decide who gets access to this folder, whether it's just certain team members or everyone in the team. You can also set whether they can edit or just view the content. Once you have your settings figured out, click Create or Save to finalize your new team folder. Now, your team folder is ready, and you can start adding files or inviting team members to collaborate. Don't forget to manage your team folder settings as needed by returning to the Admin Console and adjusting permissions or adding new members as your team grows. This method ensures that everyone has the right access and can effectively collaborate on projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.